Isinagawa ang International Congress on Clinical Medicine and Hospital Leadership sa Silang, Cavite, kung saan nagsama-sama ang mga doktor at hospital leaders upang palakasin ang clinical practice at mission-driven healthcare. Ang mas malalim na detalye, balitang may pag-asa ni Myra Jim Taniedo.
Isang makasaysayang hakbang sa larangan ng Adventist Healthcare ang isinagawa sa pagdaraos ng Inaugural International Congress on Clinical Medicine and Hospital Leadership dito sa Lifehouse Center, Silang, Cavite. Dito, nagsama-sama ang mga doctors, healthcare professionals at hospital leaders hindi lamang para matuto, kundi upang magbahagi ng karanasan at pananaw sa pangangalagang pangkalusugan.
Well, we are here from Loma University Health because it allows us to be able to fulfill our mission. Our mission at Loma Linda University Health is to continue the teaching and healing ministry of Jesus Christ. This conference brings excellent clinical faculty in addition with senior hospital leadership to be able to show how we actually do that mission. We've also brought learners from Loma Linda so that they too can experience what it is that we do, which is what we've been commissioned to do from Jesus Christ, which is to go into the world and to teach and to heal. So with that is the reason why we're here.
Ito ay pinangunahan sa pakikipagtulungan ng Loma Linda University, Adventist Medical Center Manila at Adventist University of the Philippines na may layuning palakasin ang clinical practice at hospital leadership na may malasakit at malinaw na direksyon.
We just are so happy to have all of these people come and attend, representing all the hospitals in our country and institutions, as well as other countries like Malaysia, I think, and Thailand, who are here. So thank you very much. This is inaugural, meaning we foresee that there will be many more, a series of these programs in the future years.
Sa loob ng 3 araw, tinalakay ang mga paksa tulad ng whole person care, mental health, lifestyle medicine at paggamit ng makabagong teknolohiya sa clinical settings. Higit pa nga sa mga lecture, binigyang diin dito ang paniniwalang ang tunay na paggaling ay hindi lamang nasusukat sa paggamot, kundi sa paglilingkod na may malasakit at layunin.
It not only gave us reason to come back home, but also to fellowship, learn, and network with our faith partners in healthcare. And it's great to see the turnout. We appreciate those who took the time to support the conference and just live the mission of the SDA Church and the healthcare arm of the church.
I had the opportunity to share a few remarks at the closing of the 3rd day. And in my remarks, I mentioned something in terms about hospitals not existing just to exist. Our hospitals are part of the Seventh-day Adventist Church and are part and parcel of the mission of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. And it is important for them to be seen and shown to be extensions of the healing and teaching ministry of Jesus Christ. That is part of our mission. As each person who works for a healthcare organization touches a life, speaks to a person, they should see the face of Christ. They should feel the touch of Christ. They should also hear the voice of Christ. So for me, and for all of us as leaders in the Seventh-day Adventist Church, we view our hospitals as part of the proclamation of the gospel of Jesus Christ. Not some appendage, but agents of proclaiming the gospel of Jesus Christ. They don't exist just to exist. They exist as part of the mission to reach souls for the kingdom of God.
Layuning magatid ng balitang mayroong pag-asa, Myra Jim Taniedo nag-uulat para sa Hope Today, HCNP News.